Hey guys, welcome back. I have my mystery box. My girlfriend made me a mystery box, and that's my girlfriend. I am fixing to open it for you guys. So let's get into it. Okay. We have, oh wow, the first thing we got is a penny. It's a lucky penny that fell out of my, well, it doesn't matter where it came from. It accidentally fell out of my wallet. So yeah, we decided to put it in the mystery box. The rest of the stuff is a mystery to me. We have a Christmas sweater that jingles. Jingle, jingle,
jingle. Ugly Christmas sweater.
An ugly Christmas sweater. Got a snowman on it and a snowman on the back. Cool. We have Little Nicky VHS tape with Adam Sandler in it, if you can see that. Can you see that? I don't think you can.
I'll just pick what you want.
We have a hashtag love pillow. Hashtag love. My favorite color of the pillow, too. Was okay. We have a rhino. He's a little Ty Beanie baby.
Beanie Boo.
Beanie Boo. And he's so cute. He's so cute. Little rhino. We have a Barbie doll. She looks sassy. She needs a new hairdo. Obviously.
My niece does that. That's one of the ones she plays in the tub with.
Wow, look at that hair. Woo! She looks like she had a fun night. We have a cell phone with a cracked screen. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah.
It's an LG Stylo 2.
It's an LG Stylo 2. We have some facial scrub. And now we have a Piglet Tsum Tsum. Piglet. Bath and Body Works. Fragrance.
It's Tahiti Dreams.
Tahiti Dreams. Now we have part of a cell phone charger.
I try to make it as realistic as the ones you see people opening from eBay. It's just a bunch of junk.
Yeah, we had to make ours, you guys. I'm not buying a junky mystery box. We made our own.
Well, I made it for you. You didn't know what was in this one.
I didn't know what was in it, so my girlfriend made it. We have some earphones. Little earphones. And we have some duck sauce. I think I want Chinese again tonight. I had it the other night. I had sweet and sour chicken, and then I made a Chinese video. Not a Chinese video. I made a voice impression video where I was a Japanese guy calling in Chinese food, so that was fun. If you want to check that out, go to my voice impressions playlist.
That's the spicy mustard.
We have spicy mustard.
And the one she just passed and didn't tell you what it was. It was soy sauce.
Yeah, we had some soy sauce in there. Now I really want Chinese food and maybe something with ketchup.
I done the ketchup because you're always asking where the ketchup is.
We got ketchup, guys.
And these are for your doggies over at your mama's house.
Ooh, we got dog treats. Yum. Scooby snack.
Oh, this one's special.
We got Scooby snacks.
Naomi got a Lisa Frank. Naomi got a Lisa Frank. Well, my niece got a Lisa Frank nail polish set, and these tattoos were in it, and she's seen this one, and she told me to put it in Hannah's mystery box.
Alright,
so that's from
we got a little tiger. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Tiger tattoo eating a taco. So cute. Can you see it? You can see it. Okay. I'm gonna leave that there because that's mine. Next
all yours.
off, we have some breast cancer socks. Breast cancer socks. Aha! There's the ribbon. The ribbon. Alright. Hold on, we got some Band-Aids. Band-Aids. What else do we have?
Makeup.
Makeup. We
Even
got
though
some.
you don't wear it.
We have some lipstick, and we have some eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Whatever. We have no polish. No polish.
Squirtopotamus, let me put that in your box for you.
We have a rock with a little cute guy smiling. Little mystery rock. Says be happy on it. Be happy.
That's also Bath and Body Works.
Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer with a polar bear.
It's cranberry something or another.
It's cranberry. Wait, no. It's candy apple. It's candy apple, guys.
Oh,
Sorry, it's candy apple.
Stretches.
Candy apple. We got a. I always forget what these things are called. We have this thing.
It's a badge
It's
holder.
a badge holder. And it stretches, of course. Yes, it's a badge holder. Badge holder. We have some cranberry cherry lotion. Here
Wait, here's another one.
we have some zip ties. Zippy zip. Zippy zip.
The thread.
We have some thread. Wait, where's the sewing thread? We have some clippers. Fingernail clippers.
Yeah, you wouldn't want them from a total random stranger.
No, you wouldn't. We have a hair bow. Aquafina chapstick. Okay. A comb. Whoops, wrong way. We have a comb. We have a hair comb. What's the last thing?
Yep.
The last thing on here is a mask. And it's a sugar skull mask. That's cool. So, that's all we have in the box. If you like this video, leave a like and a comment down below. If you want us to make another video like this, I will make my girlfriend one where she opens up a mystery box on her birthday. It's not my birthday, but I just wanted to do the challenge because all the YouTubers are doing it. Duh. So, I did one. And leave a comment down below. Subscribe and become a member of my family. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.